So obviously we couldn't film directly in the surgery room, but I am going to tell you exactly what happened. So they first led me down and applied some drops to numb each of my eyes and placed me under one machine with just something covering my left eye. A small device was just inserted into my eye just to hold my eye open, and I thought that was going to be really uncomfortable, but it was so quick and in that it didn't bother me at all. And they asked me to look into the light that I could see above me. Whilst I was looking at the light, the laser was creating a small flap in my first eye. I was then just moved under the next machine and asked to look at the small flashing dot, which was the laser that was actually correcting my vision. This made a loud pen clicking noise and took no more than about 30 seconds in total. So they then moved me back to the first machine and repeated the process with my left eye. I couldn't have been in that room for more than a couple of minutes total, and I just can't get over how quick the whole thing was. So I walked straight into a post-treatment room where they discussed all of my aftercare advice with me and gave me some things to take home. I was advised not to wear eye makeup for a week afterwards, and that was probably the hardest thing of the whole surgery process. They did give me some very lovely goggles which you wear for 7 nights following your surgery, just to make sure that you don't knock your eyes. They then gave me 3 different types of drops which I would use 4 times a day for the first week, and following that then I would just use the Blinks drops to soothe the dry eyes. During the process I didn't feel a thing at all, but as I came out of the room my vision was just a little bit blurry. I had a little relax in the waiting room, and when I felt ready I made sure that I had my sunglasses on because I knew that my eyes were going to be a little bit light sensitive. So within about half an hour or so the numbing drops on my eyes started to wear off a little bit, and this is where they just started to feel a little bit stingy, as if you've been cutting onions, and a little bit gritty as if you've got something in your eye, but with me that was hardly anything. It was just more about the light sensitivity, so I just made sure that I kept my glasses on for the rest of the day.